It has been a transformative year for the industry with the advent of generative AI, and WinWire has continued to maintain its thought leadership position by building a generative AI COE early last year. This COE resulted in hundreds of executive conversations and have recently started resulting in transformative engagements with our clients. Despite the severe economic headwinds in the US, we were able to outperform our peers by growing our business year over year. The main reason for that is twofold: the unwavering commitment of every WinWirean to customer delight, and our unmatched value proposition, which is to remain very focused on helping our clients transform their businesses through Microsoft technologies. This focus by every WinWirean has resulted in WinWire once again being recognized as a great place to work, as well as being a finalist for Microsoft Partner of the Year in Cloud Native Application Development category. My top 3 priorities this fiscal year are: number 1, talent; number 2, talent; and number 3, talent. What I mean by that is we are very committed not only to bringing in new talent into WinWire to grow the business, but I am equally focused on developing the skills of every WinWirean who has been with us along this journey. I want everyone to feel that as they contribute to the growth, they can have a long and rewarding career here. This past year, we had hundreds of conversations with healthcare and technology companies, helping them make sense of the new and emerging technologies, mainly generative AI and Copilot. For most, it was, where do I start? And we invested considerable time helping them envision use cases and a roadmap for implementation. However, many companies did not have the budget to start work in 2023. But that is changing in 2024. These conversations have turned into new business for WinWire, and we are working with several new clients across healthcare and ISVs to fuel our growth. And the work we are doing for these clients is truly transformative. For example, at a leading technology company, we are building a chat platform using Azure OpenAI and cognitive search technologies that will support more than 62,000 users. For a drug discovery and development company, we are building an Azure-enabled AI solution that will accelerate drug development and hopefully save thousands of lives. If you're passionate about working for a people-first organization and love working with customers who are deploying the latest emerging Microsoft technologies, then you should consider a career at WinWire.